Sylvester and Max. There's Lucy. It's actually not a very nice day. I mean, yeah, it's drizzling. It'll probably drizzle most of the day. And the guys are all here. Lucy, hop up, hop, hop, go, go. Lucy, 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 Picky, Pico. Hi, Puppet. Psst, 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 psst. Hi, sweetie. Ah, I love these shots. Say hi to your mommy. Oh, look at you, you're so good now. Here's my baby. Yes. And Willa, tell us your opinion of the garden. You guys have gone nuts playing so far, huh? I think I'm going to get playground equipment so they can go up and down. Alright, Corsos naturally are quiet, the anchors. Wait a minute, where's Brunhilde? Bailey, Brunhilde, hello. Psst, psst, psst. Bailey, look at me. And there's Lucy. Oh. It's kind of difficult, the light's not very good now. But Lucy's doing extremely well. She's finally out of her shell or crate protection. We're trying to keep her out of the crate as much as possible. Do I notice? Where's Rocky? Rocky, are you sulking again? Don't start this. Rocky? Rocky? Oops.